Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Yarn cache and offline builds on VPS, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore Yarn cache and enable offline builds on a VPS, start by accessing your VPS via SSH. Log in using your preferred SSH client with the appropriate credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the project directory where you want to restore the Yarn cache. Check if you have an existing Yarn cache by running the command yarn cache list. If a cache exists, you can proceed to restore it. If not, you will need to set up a new Yarn cache. To create a new cache, run yarn install. This command will download dependencies and cache them locally. Next, configure Yarn to use offline mode to enhance build efficiency. To do this, open your projects.yarn file using a text editor. Add the line offline true to the file. Save and close the editor. Now that offline mode is enabled, you can build your project without an internet connection. Run yarn install again to confirm everything is cached correctly. You can now work on your project even when your VPS is offline. If you need to share this cache with another environment, you can compress the cache folder. Locate the cache folder, usually found in the .cache/yarn directory. Use the command tar czvf yarncache.tar.gz.cache/yarn to create a compressed archive. Transfer this archive to the new VPS using SCP or another file transfer method. Once on the new VPS, extract the cache using tar xzvf yarncache.tar.gz. Next, update the .yarn. Confirm that offline builds are still configured by checking the .yarn file. Finally, run yarn install to ensure that yarn recognizes the restored cache. With these steps completed, your Yarn cache is successfully restored, and offline builds are enabled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.